Most beginner designs don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because of few simple mistakes that most beginner designs don't even realize they are making. In this video, I will show you the most common design mistake beginners make and exactly how to fix them so your design can instantly look more professional. If you are new to graphic design and feel like your work still looks amateur even though you are trying hard, this video is for you. Let's get into the first mistake. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using too many fonts in one design. You will see a poster with one font for the heading, another for the body, another for the caption, and sometimes even more. This makes the design look messy and unprofessional. Here's the fix. Use one or two fonts only. One font for heading and one for the body text. If you want variation, use bold, regular or light styles for the same font instead of adding new fonts. Simple typography instantly make your design cleaner. Another reason beginner design fail is random color choices. Many beginners choose colors based on what looks nice instead of what works together. This often leads to designs that look too bright, confusing or uncomfortable to look at. Here's the fix. Limit your design to 2 or 3 main colors. Choose one dominant color, one secondary color, and maybe one accent color. When in doubt, choose existing color palettes or tools like color harmony rules. Good color choices can completely change how professional your design feels. A lot of beginner design fail because elements are placed randomly. Text is not aligned, icons don't match, spacing uneven, and everything feels scattered. This doesn't mean the design is bad, it just lacks structure. Here's the fix. Always align your elements. Use grid, guideline, and margin. Align text to the left, center, or right, but do it intentionally. Good alignment make your design look more organized, balanced, and easier to understand. Bonus tip: adding too much. Here is a mistake many beginners don't talk about. Trying to add too much to one design. Too many shapes, too many effects, too many ideas at once. Good design is not about adding more, it's about removing unnecessary. If something doesn't even serve a purpose, remove it. Simplicity is in skills. If you avoid this mistake and apply these simple fixes, your design will instantly improve. If this video helped you, subscribe for more beginner-friendly graphic design tips. Thanks for watching.